Hi everyone. Do you use HubSpot to send your mass email campaigns and at times you need to add your beautiful PPTs and PDFs that your team has prepared with all the details possible? And you might wonder, is there a way to analyze how these files are performing? Then this tutorial is just for you. Here I will demonstrate how can you use CloudFiles to get amazing and insightful dashboard that will help you analyze how your files are performing. So let's get started. Before we start with the tutorial, please note that these are the two important steps that you need to ensure for the process. First is to make sure that your CloudFiles is installed in HubSpot, and also make sure that you have connected your storage to HubSpot using CloudFiles. We have detailed down the steps in our resources section. You can always refer that. In this tutorial, I will quickly run you through both the steps so that you can start immediately. To install CloudFiles in your HubSpot, you just need to go to HubSpot app marketplace and you need to search for CloudFiles. Here you will get an option to install CloudFiles in your HubSpot account. Just click on this and you can get started with CloudFiles. So the next step is to connect your storage with the HubSpot. To do that, you can go to any of the contact. You just need to locate CloudFiles widget on the right side, and here you'll get an option CloudFiles written. You just need to click on this and you need to go to CloudFiles. This will basically take you to the CloudFiles library, and here you need to connect your storages. So as you can see, there are many storages mentioned here. So once you get started with this step, you will need to first log into your account. It will ask for your credentials. So here I want to connect my Google Drive. Suppose I just need to connect here. I need to choose which account I need to connect it with. And that's it. You can view all the files and folders that are present in your storage, and that's how you can connect other drives as well. So we start by creating CloudFiles link of the document or the file that we would like to share in our email. In order to do so, you can access the CloudFiles library either by logging into your account, or you can access the library within HubSpot by going to the CloudFiles widget, which I had demonstrated earlier. So we'll do the same. We'll go to any of the contact. We'll access the CloudFiles widget over here and we'll just go to our CloudFiles library. Just click on library here. Over here you can see all the storages which are connected to your CloudFiles account. Suppose there's a file in Google Drive that I would like to add to my email campaign. I'll just go to my drive. I'll locate the file that I would like to share. Just click on the file, and over here you will get an option to create link. Just click on this simply. You can name the link that is based on your convenience. Let me just rename it to campaign 1 and just click on create. That's it, your link is created. You can simply copy the link by clicking on this copy link button. We also provide bunch of other settings which will give you an option like you can allow downloading or not. You can put an expiry, you can add extra security by password or email. So you can always use these options, but the link remains the same. Once your CloudFiles link is created, we will now add it to our sales or marketing email, and we will also add personalization to it. In order to do so, you simply go to your HubSpot, access the email for the marketing or sales campaign, and locate the email that you would like to edit and add the new link. Suppose this is the mail. I'll simply go to edit, and over here I would like to add the new link. I'll click on this, I'll edit it, and I will remove the existing link from here. And over here, I'll paste my CloudFiles link. You can simply copy it like this and paste it here. Now we will also add a personalization to it so that we can get the detailed analytics without gating our document. So we'll add it for email ID, suppose. So we'll add it. that's it. Save it. So we have replaced the existing email campaign with the new CloudFiles link, and now we can test it. Now that we have added the CloudFiles link to our email campaign, it is time to send a test email and check if everything is working fine. For this, we'll go back to our HubSpot account, open the mail that we have just edited, and we'll just send a test email. Select the contact for which you would like to send the test email. I'm just sending it to myself, and I'll just send test mail. So I have received the mail. I'll open this and I'll check if the link is working fine. And yes, you can see the document over here. One thing to notice and check here is to make sure that the link, when you hover over it, you will be able to see the email ID appended to the end of the link, as you can see on the bottom of the screen. So make sure that that is happening to make sure your link is working fine. So now your email is working perfectly fine. It is time to analyze how your file is performing. In order to do so, go back to your email campaign where you have added the link. Open the document. This is the document. What I'll do is I'll just simply browse through the document and let the analytics build up. Maybe spend some time here on this page. Scroll through the document again. And yeah, that's it. So there are two ways you can analyze the analytics for this. You can do it in your CloudFiles dashboard, or you can do it right within HubSpot account. I'll show you both the ways. So for CloudFiles, you simply need to go to the library where you have created the link. This is the link. This is the campaign number 1 that I had just created. This time you need to go to analytics over here, and you can refresh it first, and you'll be able to see the analytics. Since I'm the only person who has viewed the document, I see my name here over here. I can see how many sessions I have done, what is the last time I've viewed, and how much time I've spent in total. One of the great part of this analytics is you can see how much time I have spent on each of these pages. This makes a lot of sense when you're analyzing the document's performance in mass email campaigns. So this is how you access in CloudFiles dashboard. You can access the dashboard in your HubSpot account as well. You need to go to your account, click on the contact, and then in your timeline you'll be able to see the details like this. The file was viewed. I'll simply click on this. You get an option of view detailed analytics. You just need to click on this, let it populate, and you'll be able to see the same dashboard over here. So you have the sessions, you have the time, how much you have spent, and also time per page. So that's it. That's all you need to get started. Thank you.